Hello children, it is in continuation with our exercise 3.4. Our next question, it is question number 4. Find the first 4 multiples of 7. Here we have to find the first 4 multiples of 7 and check whether they are odd or even. And second thing what we have to check, that the multiples are odd or even. So first of all, let's find the first 4 multiples of 7. They are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. These are the first 4 multiples of 7. Now we have to check whether they are odd or even. So let's see, 7 it is odd, 14 it is even, 21 again it is odd and 28 again it is even. So what do we conclude? That the multiples of 7 are alternatively odd and even. Alternatively means that first one is odd, second one it is even. Again first one is odd and second one it is even. So the first 4 multiples of 7 are alternatively odd and even, or you can directly write like this also, odd, even, odd or even. Now next it is question number 5th. Select any number with 0 as its ones place and write its first 10 multiples. State whether these multiples are odd or even. Dear students, here the number it is not specified. What they have said, that in ones place we have to use 0 and no number here it is given in tens place. Fine. So let us take here 10. Okay, because in 10 the ones place it is 0. Fine. Now the next step we have to write its first 10 multiples. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. These are the first 10 multiples of 10. Now next thing they have asked whether the multiples are odd or even. So you can see that all the multiples are even. So what we will write? All the multiples are even. Here your answer can vary also. Suppose if I take here 20, okay, so my answer will be different here. 20 ones are 20, then 40, 60, 80. You can do like that also. Fine. So it is your wish which number you have to take it here. I have simply taken here 10. Okay, so it is perfectly your wish. If you want to take it 20 or you want to take it 30, you can do by that method also. Fine. Now let's move to our next question. Question number 6, A part. It is multiples of 8 less than 32. We have to find the multiples of 8 that are less than 32. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32. But we have been said that we have to find the multiples of 8 less than 32. So these will be the multiples 8, 16 and 24. So 8, 16 and 24 are the multiples of 8 less than 32. Now similarly we will be doing our B part, that is the multiples of 15 less than 200. So we have written the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. But they have said less than 200. So we will continue the table of 15 till 13. It means till 195. So the multiples of 15 less than 200, they are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180 and 195 are multiples of 15 less than 200. Okay, so these are the multiples of 15. Now our next question, it is C part, the multiples of 19 between 57 and 152. So here we have to write the multiples in between 57 and 152. So 19 threes are 57 and 19 eights are 152. So which are the multiples in between here? These are 76, 95, 114 and 133. So these are the multiples of 19 between 57 and 152. Now D part, it is the multiples of 21 between 105 and 210. So we have written the table of 21 from 1 to 10, but we have to find the multiples of 21 in between 105 to 210. So in between the multiples are 126, 147, 168 and 189. These are the multiples of 21 between 105 and 210. Thank you.